सो आई वॉज एडिटिंग द वीडियो दोपहर में एंड अच्छा हुआ मैंने अपलोड नहीं किया दोपहर तक बिकॉज दोपहर से लेकर अभी तक स्टोरी सारी चेंज हो चुकी है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग बट कंक्लूजन things happens for a reason. I'm well aware, very well aware, but the thing is that I have to go through with these situations, transformations, changes. So it's not that simple. I know. But anyways, so yeah, things have been changed. Tomorrow I have to leave. Let's see where I go. I cannot go back home. I don't want to.
Wait. Morning and welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm checked out already. मेरा बैग बाहर रखा हुआ है. Yes, I'm ready to go out. I think I'm gonna take a walk again till Mall Road. So, क्योंकि मुझे बस लेना है वहाँ से और फिर वहाँ से कुछ 20 मिनट का वो है डिस्टेंस. So let's see. Not that far. But I'm gonna go and have chai first, man. चाय तो बनता है ना. और ऑयली वाली हेयर हो रखी है भाई. I just anyway, let's go. I'm gonna have chai and then we'll go. I stopped here for breakfast and chai and then वो रहा नेचर पार्क का रास्ता, उधर से जाना है माल रोड तक. नेचर पार्क से जाने के लिए 20 रुपये का टिकट खरीदा है ब्रो. जब मैं आई थी तो मैं बस स्टैंड साइड से आ गए थे तो उधर पे कोई टिकट काउंटर नहीं था. टिकट काउंटर बीच में है एक्चुअली, यू नो, थोड़ा और आगे आने के बाद, मतलब थोड़ा माल रोड से ऊपर आते हैं तो. लेकिन मैं बस स्टैंड से घूम के आ गई थी. तो यहाँ से मैं जा रही हूँ माल रोड साइड पे, तो मुझे टिकट खरीदना पड़ा क्योंकि टिकट काउंटर पास में है. ऑब्वियसली खरीदनी चाहिए. ये लेट्स गो. लाइक वाओ. Oh, what was that? The sunlight, oof, it was good, damn beautiful. Oof, रुको यार, मैंने कुछ नहीं, फ़ोन नहीं निकालने वाली अब. It's better to take a walk till Mall Road. Bags are heavy, man. Laptop. And then ये, so let's go. I'm just taking rest. बस निकल रही हूँ यार. फाइनली पहुँच गई मैं. बस स्टैंड बस पास में है, बस थोड़ा ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ेगा वहाँ पे. इधर पे आना, ओल्ड मनाली से इधर तक आना was not that difficult. जाना was like so tiring. यस, थोड़ा सा चढ़ना पड़ेगा आगे जाके बस स्टैंड पे, बस स्टैंड के लिए एक्चुअली. ट्रैफिक, हाँ, गाड़ियाँ. एनीवेज, लेट्स गो टू द बस स्टैंड मैन. क्या सीधे मतलब ओल्ड मनाली में भाई धूप के क्या बोलते हैं, ओल्ड मनाली में इतनी गर्मी नहीं लगती जितनी इधर लगती है माल रोड साइड पे. लाइक सीरियसली भाई, पीपल आर रोमिंग हियर इन टी शर्ट्स और हम लोग वहाँ बिना जैकेट के घूम नहीं रहे थे. मतलब मैं
I arrived at the property where I have to volunteer. Yes, so मेरी हालत बहुत खराब हो चुकी है, 2 घंटे लगे हैं भाई. It is near to what to say, Nagar, but Nagar से थोड़ा सा भी दूर है. So yes, this is my room. Wait, अभी अनपैक कर रही हूँ यार. Here's my room. अभी अरेंज नहीं किया, अच्छे से अनपैक नहीं किया है मैन. So बस just sure. And here I am. Yeah, it's here. It's beautiful, by the way, isn't it? It is. Shower, man. I love the color of the bed sheet. It's very light. मुझे चल के आई हूँ ना, so I'm just like time to take shower, man. I just met Sonal. Sonal जी की property है, and अभी I need to take shower, man. उसके बाद में we will discuss anything because I'm lately seriously old Manali से माल रोड तक मैं चल के आई हूँ. उसके बाद ये बस इतनी धीरे धीरे रुकते it took almost like 2 hours, man. Anyways, that's okay. I'm used to of this. So yeah, see you people soon. I'll show you the property around. Everything is fine here. It seems like it's a very small village here. It is indeed. Damn. I just went outside to eat something. So actually the property is very new. Like the owner itself, like they moved here like two weeks back. So we have to like cook our own meal, and I was so tired. So I just went outside to eat and I came back. But this is beautiful property. Let me show you outside view. Like very peaceful locality. It's amazing for the longer stay, and actually it's Airbnb. So yes, if somebody is planning to like vacation, work from home, so they can come here. Wait. My God, that's the view you get. It's not that like touristic places. Wait, it's not that touristic place. So it's like isolated. Damn. This is the main road. This is the property. And here I'm. My room. It's not that messy. It's completely fine. Gosh. Okay, so I don't know where, but I have lost my self-esteem. I think I was in Rishikesh that time, right? Yes, I was in Rishikesh, and when I was in Rishikesh, it was with me. It seems like I left it somewhere like nearby Ganga river. Anyway, so yes, I'm here at this property. I'm gonna volunteer here for like some time. I'm not gonna confirm the time period because I know myself. So yes, I'm gonna be here. And you know what? Yesterday only I was talking about like I really want to build a lifestyle for myself where I can travel and work. So volunteer work helps you to sustain and to travel, you know. It make your life a bit easier. So yeah, because you don't have to like pay for food and stay, and yeah, it's a good way. It's a good way to travel as well. And it's not that difficult to find volunteering options. You can reach out to the property easily, you know. That's how I used to do and how I have done previously. So I have never contacted any property via any platform. Like there are multiple platforms, right? Like Volpackers, Volunteer Yatra, something like that. So I have never ever like contacted any property via these platforms. Instead, I have directly contacted the properties. Yes, I like how I decide like where I want to volunteer. I just feel like I decide how I select. I decide where I want to go. Then I look for the properties over there in the hostels over there. Then I reach out to these hostels via Instagram and DM and just send them like framed message like I'm a traveler, I'm traveling from like this time to this time, and I'm looking for the volunteering option I can add, like I can offer these skill set. So yes, this is how I used to contact, and that's how I used to do it now as well. And it has like changed my life immensely. How? Because I never knew what capabilities I have, you know, because this volunteering thing gives you opportunity to do experiment with your own life. So it has been like amazing for me, believe me, the kind of like the lifestyle I'm aiming and the work I'm thinking to do, that is a different than the volunteering work which I do. Because this comes when I was in Goa. Actually, I have volunteered in Goa at the two properties, and I had like one of the best experience over there. So there I have realized that I'm amazing in management. That's what I have realized over there. So yes, using that skill set for myself to volunteer at the places. I'm not looking for work actually, because I have my own thing, right? I told you guys like I have like my Insta page, Core Head. I'm really focusing on that thing right now, because that is my vision, that is my purpose which I'm doing in this moment. The volunteering stuff, it is for like the shorter period of the life, just to live, just to survive, just to go with the flow, you know. So I have to balance, because anyways money is needed, right?
ये हमारा रूफ टॉप का व्यू, इधर माउंटेन, इधर माउंटेन, इधर भी माउंटेन, इधर भी माउंटेन. माय गॉड, वी आर सराउंडेड लाइक फ्रॉम माउंटेन ओनली. फ्रॉम बाया बाया क्या होएगा, जो भी होएगा. वी आर सराउंडेड विद माउंटेन्स. Like seriously, man, this can be the best vacation home. I love this property. What is this? This is Kais Ville country home. मेरे को लग रहा है ये अपार्टमेंट्स ही हैं. Yes, it is apartments only. ये बहुत अच्छा वीडियो आया है. यस यस, आना, ठीक है. वापस आएगी ना? बोल हाँ, आऊंगी मैं भी.
मैं ना
हाँ,
मैं आऊंगी जब छुट्टी होते जाएगी.
शनिवार को.
हाँ, शनिवार को.
यस, चलो. गॉड, लुक एट द स्काई. मॉर्निंग. कितनी बढ़िया सनलाइट आ रही है यार. आफ्टर लाइक एजेस आई वोक अप सो अर्ली. सो अर्ली मीन्स इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 8:20. वेट, ये कब से रखा हुआ है मेरे साथ, ये पाउडर फ्लैक्सीड एंड ऑल. Apples. पक्षियों की आवाज, just damn good man. Anyways, this place is very much isolated. It's not very much isolated, but very less crowd. And the best thing about this place is that side is the river, which I like the most. And wait, somebody's walking on the street and just kept looking at me because I'm recording. So wait, okay. And another best thing is that property, man. Samne, it's Kais Village Country Home. It looks amazing. पता नहीं क्या है, मेरे को लग रहा है यहाँ पे घर बिकता है. I'm looking like what? But anyways, I'm looking like cutie. Why to use? Wow, yaar. Yes. A mountain. Anyways, I need to go to the third floor because one guest is gonna come today, so I just wanted to go and check that room. Yes, I checked it all. Everything seems good. So people are coming in this room for almost a month, so yeah, all set. They will be coming like I think in the evening. But yes, let's go back. And make breakfast. But this room is beautiful, man. Like seriously. Look at this. And this. Look at this balcony view. It's not a balcony, it's a room view, man. Shit, man. It's fine in the room. And here we are again. Not again, it's the third floor. So, here is the. Wait. Here is the river view from the third floor, balcony view. Oh wow, I'm looking pretty, man. It's time to go to the kitchen and make some breakfast for myself. Wow. It's just myself. It's just myself. So I was editing the video दोपहर में एंड अच्छा हुआ मैंने अपलोड नहीं किया दोपहर तक बिकॉज दोपहर से लेके अभी तक स्टोरी सारी चेंज हो चुकी है. तो स्टोरी ऐसे चेंज हुई है कि आई डोंट नो व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग बट कंक्लूज़न ये निकल के आया कि द प्रॉपर्टीज़ रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द वॉलेंटियर जो चाहिए उनको, I don't have those skill sets. I think I'm more qualified for that. So they were like they're looking for someone else, and I felt like instead of stretching or taking for some time, it's better to carry your self-respect with grace. Carry your self-respect and leave the property. So I told them I'm leaving tomorrow, so I'm just packing my stuff at this moment, and tomorrow morning I leave. Not decided where. Am I sad? Not for losing this opportunity, but I'm a human, right? Sudden changes. So because a lot of things are already going on in the life. I'm trying my hard, I'm trying hard to find that passion, find that zeal, find that purpose in my life, to live with that purpose. So I need support as well from people, from family,
but I don't get that, and I'm not blaming for that. I'm not blaming the God as well, because I know things happens for a reason. I'm well aware, very well aware, but the thing is that I have to go through with these situations, transformations, changes. So it's not that simple. I know, but the whole life I have been like held my strength and courage beautifully, gracefully. So I know I'll keep doing what I meant to do. But in this process, I have left a lot of people have like left behind. But it just, I don't know why, but my soul doesn't, just cannot adjust in the environment where I cannot feel like being myself, where my soul doesn't flourish. So automatically, it's just my brain got blocked, you know. So that's why it's very difficult for me to work with the people who are like toxic, a bit toxic, or negative energies who gives. So it's very draining. I cannot be myself. I cannot be creative. I cannot be that free, wild, free spirit person. And that's my dream life, freedom. And whatever I do, everything I do for the freedom. The life I want to create, that is full of freedom for myself. And that has been my goal for life. जब से, क्योंकि my childhood, my like, it was so, क्या बोलते हैं, बिल्कुल limitations, boundary, so much conservative things, thoughts has been like, क्या बोलते हैं, बिल्कुल ऐसे बांध के रखा गया था. So I became so irritated from all those stuff, you know. So I became so rebellious that nothing can control me now. No negative pattern, no negative thought, no negative people, no negative environment. But that freedom doesn't come easily. But let's see what I do next, because I need money as well, right? But in this process, I have never ever thought to take any wrong decisions or took any wrong path, because I always believe in me. I really always want to lead my life with dignity, the confidence, self-respect, the courage, and the self-respect. I have been ignored a lot in my whole life, so that's why I chose to like prioritize myself. If nobody's prioritizing, I'm gonna prioritize myself. But I'm not gonna lose my dignity, man. But anyways, so yeah, things has been changed. Tomorrow I have to leave. Let's see where I go. I cannot go back home. I don't want to. Because home is not that safest place for me. It's very negative environment. It's not that healthy. I'm not blaming that, because that environment only gave me the strength and courage to go for what actually I want. So I'm not blaming anything, but I know I belong somewhere else. I belong somewhere beautiful, surrounded with. I belong somewhere where like I'm being seen for who I am. I'm being heard. I'm being recognized for who I am. I know I have never been like so much visible with my authentic self, but I know I belong somewhere at amazing place. But anyways, I'm gonna add this clip in the last of the video. I'm not gonna remove anything. I thought I'll not upload the video. I mean like the clips which I have recorded here from last 2 days. Today is Monday, right? So, but no, I'll upload. I'll add those videos and this clip as well, so that let you guys know what is happening at this moment. Yet I haven't decided where I'm going tomorrow. because oh god. Anyways, because whatever the issue, finances, man. But yes, you know, I don't like when people try to take advantage of your kindness. You try to work with honesty, but they don't understand those things, And nowadays, world is like just full of shit, man. It's not everybody. I'm not saying this, but what is happening? Is there something wrong? Is still wrong with my thought process or what? But I know whatever is happening for my own good. I know this. But I have to let it out, right? Whatever is going through at this moment. Yes. So yeah, I'll end this video here, and I'm gonna edit it. It's almost 10 p.m. So I have to upload the video today as well, because consistency, man. So yes, see you in the next video. Bye.